Hello everyone, welcome to Excel for Nincompoops. In today's video, we'll learn the reverse of the concatenate function, text to columns. This means that instead of combining multiple text strings into one, we will do the opposite. We will split the text values from one cell into multiple separated cells. Let's begin. I have this worksheet that contains a list of combined first and last names. But I want to have the first and the last names in two separate columns. Easy, right? I can go ahead and just simply retype all those entries in the first and the last name columns. When I was an Nincompoop, that's how I have been doing it. And that's totally fine if you have a small amount of data to work on. But imagine having a list containing thousands of names. Let's make our lives easier. To start, select the cells that will be split. On the ribbon, click the Data tab. Under the Data Tools group, select Text to Columns. Convert Text to Columns wizard will display. Select Delimited. Click Next. Now, select the delimiters your data contains. That is, the characters that separate the text that will be split. In this case, our first and last names are separated by a space. So, I choose space. Click Next. Choose General. And on the destination field, select the cell where the split data will be located. Click Finish, click OK, and you now have your separated data. Let's have another example. This time, the names are in the last name, first name format and are separated by a comma and a space. Let's give it a try. Select the cells that will be split. In the Data tab, select Text to Columns. Choose Delimited, click Next. This time, instead of just a space, also select comma. As you can see, if comma is not selected, the resulting cells will include a symbol after the last name. So we click comma, click Next, select General, choose the destination cell, click Finish, select OK, and looks good. Thank you for watching and enjoy splitting your text, Nincompoops.